Tired of paper statements and late fees? Let's ditch the hassle and show you the super easy ways to pay your Apple Card balance right from your desktop. First up, if you have Mac OS Ventura 132 or later, the Wallet app is your best friend. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. In the System Settings window, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and give it a click. Now, select your Apple Card from the list. You should see your current balance and options to manage your card. Click the Pay Now button. A window will pop up letting you choose your payment amount. You can select the minimum payment, statement balance, or a custom amount. Choose your payment amount and select the bank account you want to use. If you haven't already added a bank account, you'll be prompted to add one securely. Review the payment details and click Pay Now to schedule your payment. Easy peasy. Alternatively, you can manage your Apple Card online. Open your web browser and go to Cardaplecum. Log in using your Apple ID. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account summary, including your current balance and available credit. Click on the Payments tab here. You can schedule a payment, view past transactions, and manage your payment methods. Simply follow the prompts to enter the payment amount and select your bank account. Then, review and submit your payment. And that's it. 2 simple ways to pay your Apple Card from your desktop. No more late fees and say hello to stress-free payments.